Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a little cow while we learn Spanish. We draw the head, that in Spanish is said, CABEZA. We draw its horns. Horn in Spanish is CUERNO. We draw their huge ears, that in Spanish is said, OREJAS. Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. We draw his snout. Snout in Spanish is HOCICO. This is the udder, that in Spanish is said, UBRE. Around here, the cow gives milk. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say cow in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. It's a black and white cow, so let's go with black. Black in Spanish is NEGRO. Let's go with the violet color. That is said, VIOLETA. Let's see if you know the answer. Cow in Spanish is said, VACA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.